Welcome Xenrise Pharma, a rising sun for healthy Pakistan.
Xenrise Pharma, Pakistan is a national-based, the fastest-growing pharmaceutical and nutraceutical company. Xenrise Pharma, Pakistan is promoting the new generation, evidence-based, highly effective and quality nutraceuticals healthcare products for all nations in Pakistan and across Pakistan. The all-range of quality nutraceutical healthcare products of Xenrise Pharma, Pakistan are highly recommended and beneficial for all family members to maintain their good health all the time. The all Xenrise healthcare products are prepared with 100% organic, natural, and quality processed nutritional supplements, standard extracts which are chemicals and side effects free, and boost the overall health of each family member. The all Xenrise healthcare products are enlisted with Drugs Regulatory Authority of Pakistan, i.e., DRAP, and formulated according to U.S., British, and international pharmacopoeias. The leading healthcare professionals throughout Pakistan are prescribing the Xenrise quality nutraceutical healthcare products to extend their unmatched health benefits to their patients. The safety profile of Xenrise healthcare products is too good that they may be used with or without prescriptions of healthcare professionals, and DRAP categorize the Xenrise healthcare products as a health and OTC products. For more details, information, and to order the quality healthcare products with home delivery service, please visit Xenrise online shop with URL www.xenrisepharma.com/online, or to contact with Xenrise qualified and professional pharmacists doctors team, please share your voice note on WhatsApp number 009-2-333-3-819-535. We are highly grateful to you to watch this Xenrise introductory presentation. Thank you.